Basketball, a game of teamwork, precision and skill. A game that needs a flooring system that matches these attributes. Junckers is proud to present the Pro Complete 44, a portable sports floor system approved for FIBA Level 1 competitions. The floor features unique ball bounce and shock absorption characteristics. The panels are lightweight with quick and easy locking, facilitating both fast setup and disassembly, also allowing for easy transportation. This makes the Pro Complete 44 the perfect floor for international top tournaments, such as the FIBA Basketball World Cup and the Olympic basketball tournament in Paris. We also manufacture our own range of lacquers, oils and line marking paints that are used for the Olympic Games. A combination that's proven as durable and resilient as it is beautiful. Experience the floor for champions. Discover more about the Pro Complete 44 and see why it's the sports flooring choice for the world's most prestigious sports events.